we are at the 5th Mega Demo Day by the Crescent Innovation Incubation Council, a platform where entrepreneurs and innovators meet potential funders, industry experts, and mentors. Here's how it went.
So the process of the demo day is to inspire other students, the faculty, the general public, the other incubators which we are advising, and we also are bringing their startups here. So each of them, instead of having their own demo days, we are bringing them here. So we have about 35 such startups today. So that is the background for us to do this. And every year it's been, the footfalls have been increasing. I think this year there will be 3,000 plus. Last year was 2,000 something. And also the number of startups have increased, and so has the investors. So there are so many people then interested in investing in the good startups. So they are looking where to go.
So as the 5th demo day says, it's the 5th edition, number one. Number two, we added the word called mega. So the mega says that we are really, it is a big in terms of the scale. And today, in fact, we could not even manage that crowd we could get in the morning. So we have 150 startups showcased here, and then 120 investors came, and then 150 domain experts from different segment came, and 3,000 walk-ins, and startups alone, 1,000 startups from outside, they came and witnessed this event. Here we expect this startups matchmaking here. So we are also having a 30 startups curated pitching session going in a closed room. It's happening in that investor arena where there is 120 investors listen the pitches, and then they will select and so on. So as you see from my shirt, there are two logos here. One is CIIC, another is AIC-CIIC. So CIIC is 8 years old. We just founded this. Crescent is our parent, and then AIC-CIIC is the new sibling. It is funded by Atal Innovation Mission. It is called Atal Incubation Center CIIC. So basically what we did in CIIC so far is supporting 250 startups in the last 8 years. Similarly, we are going to support 150 startups in this AIC-CIIC. The only difference is we are going to focus on smart and clean mobility. Whereas in CIIC we were focusing on life science, industry 4.0, aerospace and defense and built environment. Whereas in AIC-CIIC, our focus is only on smart and clean mobility.
So hello all, I'm Dr. Shivagami Gunasegaran, founder and director of SivionX, as well as I'm a faculty in Crescent University, and we are SivionX technology, where we are doing the integrated battery research ecosystem, where we combine the hardware AI platform and everything together to make the electrochemical research platform accessible, affordable and scalable. And we are today launching in this demo day the electrochemical lab in a box, where you'll be able to fabricate your own electrode and everything and send us the innovative configuration to us, and we'll be putting the data or results straight to your box. And we are also having a signature feature here, which is a talk to your box, where you can ask your kid a lot of questions about your own results, like what is the capacity dropping, why it is doing and all. So we'll be able to give the AI-based recommendation, AI-based analysis to make your future improvement. And our major motto of SivionX is like democratization of battery research and innovation.
I am Mohamed from Ramanathapuram district. Our college is Sayyadamal Engineering College. Our company name is EcoShield. We are making a product called EcoBricks from the admixture of Sime Carvelum. Sime Carvelum is one of the invasive tree spreading along the south side of Tamil Nadu. By that, we are destroying the Sime Carvelum and converting it into charcoal and pulverizing, saving it into size of the cement. By the byproduct of Sime Carvelum, Prosophis juliflora, we are adding it into cement brick, concrete brick and clay brick. By adding it into concrete and cement brick, we can reduce the consumption of cement, and we can also attain the strength of actual cement brick.
I am Sajida, founder Innovail Agritech Private Limited. In Innovail, we are providing visual environment where people come and educate about modern farming techniques. Initially, we are starting with mushroom cultivation. This is like the entire mushroom cultivation is split into 5 modules from seed level to harvest level. There will be a guide instructing what to do next. After completing all those modules, there will be an extra worst case scenarios where people get trained about sometimes the humidity gets high, sometimes the temperature gets high. So in that case, how the aspirants should act, that will be provided by the guide as well. So this is like a training program, like the pilot software for the pilot is for the farmers.
So we are from Robovision, a product-based company. We majorly have 2 products. One is Goofy and a drone. So what does this Goofy does is it will accompany the elderly people when they are alone, when they can't adopt a pet or something. So it will accompany and it will be like playful with them. So what does this drone do is, if there is a gas leakage, then we can attach any kind of sensor, any kind of gas sensor, and we can fly it to them, fly to there. So it will detect the gas and also the exact geotag location.